Started learning this after my graduation, where I continued to express my artistic vision, but with different tools. I jumped from papers to 3D softwares. More than architectural work, I started a series of experiments in 3D softwares. At first, it was just for me. It fed my passion and my vision of an artistic life. But after that, I started to get called for work. Then I created my own design company, the Maverick Box. In today's class, we are going to use Cinema 4D to add a 3D object to a real-life footage. First, we are going to export the footage in a sequence of JPEG files using an editing software. Then, we take it to Cinema 4D to make the tracking using the new motion tracker of version release 20 to add our 3D object. Then, we are going to render it. Finally, we are going to compose everything in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a really good start point for beginners who want to be 3D and VFX artists. Once I had my own thing, I started to feel more freedom. Now I have more time to learn new skills like photography and editing. When you complete your project, make sure to upload it in the gallery. I can't wait to see all your projects, and let's get started.